Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to talk to you about what the schedule is going to look like every day. Now, I'm not going to schedule out from 8 to 8 for your child. I'm really just going to focus on during those instructional times. And we're looking for third graders, we're looking for about 2 hours a day. So what I'm going to have planned for you guys, it's probably going to be just a little over 2 hours of class schedule for you guys to work on with your kiddos. So let me show you what the schedule is going to look like. And you're going to get this by email, and it's also going to be in our Google Classroom. The first 10 minutes, your child, whatever time they start, you just tell them whenever they need to start, and then they can start working from there. But those first 10 minutes, they're just going to get into Google Classroom, which I'll look at in another video. They're going to read our daily message, comment under the message, let me know that they've seen the question of the day, and that would be a great time for them to be like, hey, what up, classmates? For the next 20 minutes, they're just going to have time to read. Whether they're reading a book that they have on hand, again, now we don't have access to these gigantic classroom libraries or libraries in our school or our public libraries right now, so maybe you're reading online somewhere, or they can listen to a story online at storylineonline.net. We're going to do math for about 30 minutes. Then we're going to take a break, let them do a 10-minute brain break. Those are all going to be in Google Classroom. Come back and hit 30 minutes of reading, and then we're going to hit our elective time. Every day your child's going to have an elective planned for them. Mondays it's PE, Tuesdays art, Wednesday counseling, Thursday music, Friday Spanish, and those lessons are going to be uploaded in Google Classroom, and I'll have those ready for your kids to look at and to do that elective activity. And then the next 10 minutes, they're going to work on their may-do for the day. So again, remember from our last video, we have must-dos that we have to do, and then they're going to choose whichever may-do they want to do. Now, I do want to put a stipulation on there. Once they do a may-do, they can't go back and do that may-do again. It's already off the list. They need to choose another one. The last 10 minutes of our day, we're going to spend cleaning up our workspace and making sure we need to turn anything in to me that hasn't already been turned in. And then really, this one is probably really important. Make sure that they're charging their technology and make them be responsible for that part of their day. So that's what the schedule is going to look like. Again, there's flexibility. If it runs quicker, hey, that's fine. If it takes a little longer, that's okay. Once we get the routine down, hopefully that's going to get where they can go quicker to get this done within that 2-hour time frame.